Hello. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that can be a lifeline in times of financial distress. Bankruptcy petitions. Let's start with a thought-provoking scenario. Have you ever found yourself at a crossroads with overwhelming debt, wondering how to regain control of your financial life? Are you constantly battling creditor actions, struggling to make ends meet? If these questions resonate with you, you're not alone. Many individuals face these challenges, and the solution often lies in understanding the bankruptcy petition process. Picture this. You're drowning in debt, and the weight of financial burdens is crushing your dreams and aspirations. The stress is unbearable, and you're not sure how to move forward. But fear not, for there is a way out. A bankruptcy petition can provide you with a fresh start on your financial journey. Welcome to Wealth Creation Gents, a personal finance channel focusing on financial intelligence. Now, you might be wondering, is bankruptcy the right choice for me? What are the implications of filing for bankruptcy? Can I protect my assets? These questions are essential for anyone facing financial turmoil. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below as we delve into the answers. 1. The process of filing a bankruptcy petition. Filing for bankruptcy is a multi-step process that marks the beginning of your journey towards debt resolution. It's not just about submitting forms, it's about creating a roadmap to financial recovery. At the heart of this process is the bankruptcy petition, which acts as the cornerstone. This document provides a comprehensive overview of your financial situation. And it's where accuracy truly matters. Every detail you include in the petition sets the stage for what comes next in the bankruptcy process. 2. Affirming bankruptcy, unveiling the impact. When you affirm bankruptcy, you're making a significant and transformative decision. It's not just a legal act. It's a declaration of your intent to confront your financial challenges within the protective confines of the bankruptcy court. This affirmation comes with profound implications. It shifts your obligations from serving creditors to adhering to the court's directives. Understanding the legal dimensions of this step is crucial. It's a strategic move that requires thoughtful consideration of the path ahead. 3. Life after bankruptcy, a fresh financial canvas. Bankruptcy is not the end of the road, rather, it's a fresh start. It's the opportunity to rebuild your financial life from the ground up. Life after bankruptcy involves a deliberate process of rebuilding your credit, adopting responsible financial practices, and creating a strategic plan for a more stable financial future. This phase demands meticulous planning, disciplined financial management, and a gradual restoration of your creditworthiness. 4. Bankruptcy and financial assets, safeguarding possessions. One of the central concerns when considering bankruptcy is the fate of your assets. Will they be shielded from liquidation, or will they be subject to sale to satisfy creditors' claims? The answer often hinges on the distinction between exempt and non-exempt assets. Certain possessions enjoy protection against being sold off, providing assurance that your financial future remains intact even amid financial turmoil. Notably, retirement funds, like 401k accounts, often receive protection, offering peace of mind during challenging times. However, it's essential to be aware of additional categories of personal property and assets that remain within your ownership. 5. Tax considerations in bankruptcy, navigating complexities. The intersection of bankruptcy and taxes adds layers of complexity to the process. Addressing tax debts within bankruptcy requires a nuanced understanding of different tax obligations. Some tax debts can be discharged, while others may persist even after the bankruptcy proceedings conclude. Furthermore, the timing of filing and the nature of tax obligations play a role in determining the fate of tax refunds. Navigating this intricate landscape demands careful planning and awareness of tax implications. 6. Retaining property, striking a balance. When navigating bankruptcy proceedings, the retention of property becomes a pivotal concern. Questions arise. Can you hold on to your car? Is it possible to maintain ownership of your home? The answers depend on various factors, including the specific type of bankruptcy chosen and the exemptions available in your jurisdiction. The concept of the homestead exemption provides an added layer of safeguarding for homeowners, enabling individuals to protect a portion of their home's equity from the bankruptcy process. Striking the right balance between property retention and addressing debt obligations requires a thorough assessment of your individual circumstances. 7. The vital role of bankruptcy counseling. Traversing the intricate landscape of bankruptcy demands expert guidance. And this is where bankruptcy counseling steps in. This invaluable service equips individuals with the knowledge necessary to make well-informed decisions throughout their bankruptcy journey. It's not just about filling out forms. It's about understanding the full spectrum of available options, implications tied to different choices, and the legal aspects of the process. Regulatory stipulations emphasize the importance of bankruptcy counseling, making it a mandatory requirement before initiating bankruptcy proceedings. 8. Managing bankruptcy debt, charting the course. Bankruptcy isn't a one-size-fits-all solution for debt-related woes. While some debts can be discharged, offering a sense of relief, others might persist even after the finalization of bankruptcy proceedings. Managing bankruptcy debt involves creating a well-thought-out plan for handling the debts that remain. This endeavor requires assessing the hierarchy of debt repayment, delving into the intricacies of each category of debt, and formulating a comprehensive roadmap that steers you toward a state of financial equilibrium. Means testing also plays a role in shaping bankruptcy eligibility, especially for individuals with higher incomes. In conclusion, bankruptcy is not the end of your financial journey. It's a new chapter where redemption and stability are attainable. Remember, understanding the process, seeking expert guidance, and making informed decisions can lead you to a brighter financial future. Thank you for watching. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Leave your comments below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future. To delve deeper into this topic, click the link below to read our free article on the Wealth Creation Gents website.